Hi, I'm Anthony Cosgrove, the co-founder of Harbr Data, and I'll be taking you through a quick demo of our private data marketplace platform. The platform makes it easy for anyone to discover, access, and use data regardless of their technical skill, while giving data owners more control and visibility over how their data is being used than ever before. What I'll be showing you today is a demo version of the platform, but it's important to note that each customer has their own Harbr. It's a private data marketplace that you operate, not a public data marketplace in which you participate. So our customers get to control every aspect of their Harbr platform. I'm going to start as a platform operator. This is the person or team that owns the platform. After deploying it into their own cloud account, where they get to use their existing cloud commits, they're able to brand it, create home pages, set templates for subscription plans and data contracts, create categories, and select integrations with other tools. However, the most important capability is deciding which teams, domains, and organizations participate in the platform and whether they can see and interact with each other. This lets you set up multiple operating models so the platform can mirror the reality of your entire data ecosystem. Our customers typically run multiple operating models simultaneously, covering different groups such as employees, suppliers, partners, and customers. The platform operator can also see detailed user activity to optimize for specific business objectives while also managing risk. I'm now a data producer, which is the person or team that will provide access to data via the platform. That could be anyone from a source system owner to a data domain or a data product manager. I'm going to start by creating a connection to where my data assets are located. You can see we have a range of options, but again, the platform operator decides which connectors are in their platform and can also add new ones. Once I've set up a connector, or by using the upload feature, I can register any digital object in that environment as a data asset. That could be a table or a file, such as a notebook, visualization, or PDF. I can also decide if the asset stays at source or a pipeline is created to copy the asset to a central storage location. Our customers typically use both options, depending on their preferred data architecture, the type of asset, and the user experience they want to deliver. Once I've registered an asset, I can use them via the platform and also give access to others with some basic usage controls that will be automatically enforced by the platform. However, to provide self-service discovery and access, and to add more sophisticated controls, I can create a data product. The way we've built this is highly flexible and efficient, allowing users to rapidly build many data products. As you can see, I can combine any number and any types of assets into a product so that they're truly ready to use. I can also reuse the same asset in multiple products without copying it, and add and remove assets to a product for fast and easy versioning and user migration. Once I've selected my assets, I create packaging such as icons, descriptions, metadata, samples, dictionaries, categories, and even embed visualizations to bring it all to life. This will make the product look amazing, but the real purpose is to help users understand the contents and use case of the product so they can efficiently self-serve. I then add subscription-based permissions to my product. This will determine who can discover and subscribe to the product, the terms of usage, specific controls like duration of access, the use of certain features, and the ability to copy and reshare. Again, I can set any number of subscription plans for each product, and I can decide on how the user gains access, which can be self-service, a request workflow, or directly allocating a product to a user. There's a lot more here, but let's see how this product looks to an end user. So I'm now acting as a data user, a person looking to use data to solve a business problem. Data users are diverse, with different technical skills, tooling preferences, and use cases. Again, the platform operator has invited me to the platform, and I'm going to start here in the marketplace where I'm presented with all the data products I've been granted permission to discover. I have many options for discovery, including search, filters, and categories, and I can toggle to a list view, all of which are helpful when there are many products available to me. Here we see the product I created as a data producer, and when I click into that, I see the product page. The packaging makes it very easy to understand what the product is for, the assets it contains, detail on those assets, and even alternative products I may want to consider. This has been set up for self-service, so I can agree to a subscription and immediately gain access in line with the controls set out in that specific plan. Now I have access, the product and the assets it contains are available in my collection. This is my personal one-stop shop for all the data assets I can use, regardless of where they're stored, who created them, and whether they were shared with me or were part of a product I subscribe to. But it's more than a list. I can also select any of these assets and immediately start to use them via the platform. I can set up a space to securely collaborate with others. I can run a SQL query and even have an AI write the SQL query for me. I can create data integration pipelines and filter the data with just a few clicks. I can even connect tools via a unique, secure credential to query the data at source. There's a lot more to show you, but that's a quick introduction to how a Harbr private data marketplace improves the data user's experience by massively reducing time to value. If you'd like to learn more, check out harbrdata.com. Thank you.